In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize your connected calendar settings in Hubspot. This is a useful setup to review anytime you connect a new calendar, or if you notice meetings and events are not syncing the way you expect. Hubspot can connect to your calendar so that it can log meeting activity and keep your schedule aligned. These options live inside your account settings, and once they are saved, they apply going forward. To begin, look in the top right corner of your Hubspot account and click Settings. This opens the main settings area where most account and user preferences are managed. Next, move to the left sidebar and click General. General settings include several tabs, and the one you need for this process is the Calendar tab. Go ahead and click Calendar to open it. On the calendar page, you will see your connected calendar listed. Find the connected calendar you want to adjust, then click Edit Settings next to it. This opens the controls that determine what Hubspot syncs between your calendar and your CRM activity. Now you will choose what you want to sync. Turn Sync Meetings to On if you want Hubspot to sync meeting bookings so they appear and are tracked properly. This is especially helpful when you schedule meetings through Hubspot links and want those meetings to reliably show up on your calendar. You can also turn Sync Calendar Events to On if you want Hubspot to sync events from your calendar. This option is useful if you want broader visibility, such as keeping appointments and calendar blocks aligned so your availability and activity stay consistent. As you change these settings, take a moment to confirm you are editing the correct connected calendar, especially if you have more than one account connected. Once you have enabled the sync options you need, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save. Saving is important because leaving the page without saving can undo your changes. After you save, give the system a little time to apply updates, especially if you have a busy calendar. If you ever need to change your sync behavior again, you can return to the same calendar tab and edit the settings the same way. And that is all there is to it.